Okay, so here is our end product. That is it. It's definitely a prototype. It's not the finished. But I'm just going to give this as a gift for my dad. But here it is, connected into a splitter, which is connected into my computer, which this cord right here is for my stereo in my room, speaker system. And the other is the modified 3.5 millimeter cable into the tip 31 transistor. Now, here is this thing in action. There's a slight second delay in the camera when the lights go off, and also what was I gonna say? Also, it'll come back to me. Oh, also the LEDs react to the bass in the song, not the treble, the bass. And here's some examples. Oops. And I will be making a new one with brighter LEDs, 10 millimeter, super bright LEDs. And I'm going to make it a lot bigger, with probably more than 12 volts capacity. But yes, this is what I spent my weekend doing. Yes, sanding the LED heads to create optimal brightness. Alright, this is what I've been doing this weekend. Here's LEDs. Here's a 12-volt battery adapter. And here's the transistor, which regulates the voltage throughout this whole circuit. And what I've done is I made these LEDs sound reactive. I cut a cable, a 3.5 millimeter cable extender, so that I can plug it into the computer or any audio input. And in the end, I'm now going to put it in this little box, which I've made out of latex plastic. And I had to solder it together. I couldn't use a hot glue gun because I didn't have any. So yeah.